pagpasok, there's cabinet. Ito. Malaki yung cabinet. Tapos, meron silang in-room sleepers and safe. Building house. Then, sa right is yung bathroom. Yung bathroom. Meron dental kit. Tapos, meron siyang bathtub. Shampoo, conditioner, bath gel, and soap. Nothing. Then, mat para di magulas. Anti-slip. The shower head is rain something. Yan. Tapos, hair dryer, outlet, and towels. Next, from the bathroom. First, dito sa left, may lagay ng luggage and shoes. Then, sa right, full body mirror. Okay. Then here, and ito na yung dalawang double bed. And the other side, facing the bed. Ayan. May TV. And then, workstation. For the workstation, kompleto sila. If you have VGA, HDMI, perfect. There's a drawer. Walang naman. And then, dito, may fridge. Wala tong laman. Yan, dala lang namin. Pero, meron silang free tea. Long tea. And then, instant coffee. Tapos, may pakuluan ng water and free water din. Then, they have in-room dining. Ito naman yung parang balcony. So, for the view, wow. Yan. So, maliit lang siyang balcony, pero may view. And then, walang chairs, pero may option ka to open the doors. If ayaw mo mag-aircon, pwede kang i-open to, tapos naka-screen door lang. Lang. Parang medyo mali. This. Nice. The view's nice. Mas mahal to ng 1K pero okay na naman. If you like it na may view, go here. Hindi ko lang sure paano mo makikip to na unlocked. Yan. Kasi